my dear third class children. Welcome to maths class. Good morning. Continuation of second chapter, addition of numbers. In this chapter, already you learned adding 3-digit numbers without regrouping, with regrouping. 3-digit numbers. 100 is the first 3-digit number. 999 is the last 3-digit number, and 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. And adding 4-digit numbers without regrouping, with regrouping. 1000 is the first 4-digit number. 9999 is last 4-digit number. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. 9999 is the greatest 4-digit number. Yes or no? In 3-digit numbers, 2 lines addition and 3 lines addition without regrouping, with regrouping. In 4-digit numbers also, 2 lines 4-digit number, 3 lines 4-digit number addition without regrouping, with regrouping. With regrouping means carrying addition. After adding the numbers, we get the sum. If sum is 2-digit number, we are going to split the number and carry forward that number left side of the ones to tens, tens to hundreds. Okay, Nana? And 2 word problems also I explained in the previous class. Once again, we are going to continue same chapter. And addition facts, rules of the addition. If we add 0 to a number or number to a 0, the total does not change. We get the number itself, means same number. Okay, that is going to 1-digit number or 2-digit number or 3-digit number or 4-digit number plus 0 or 0 plus number. Answer is same number. Next one, if we add 1 to a number, we get next number of the given number. That means after number of the given number. Third one, when we add 2 or 3 numbers in any order, we get the same total. That property is called commutative property of addition. Commutative property of addition. We are going to add the numbers left to right or right to left. We get the same total. Okay, that is called commutative property of addition. Commutative property of addition. Once again, I am going to revise all concepts, then go to remaining word problems. Okay, na? Come on. Example problems you practice in your homework book or rough notes. Okay? 325 plus 471. 2 lines, 3-digit number. Second one, 458 plus 327. You note down and practice in your homework book or rough notes. Heading goes to add, 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 or find the total, find the sum. Add the following. 2 lines, 3-digit number, adding 3-digit numbers. Okay. Third one, 132 plus 305 plus 240. Okay. Fourth one, 3050 plus 4705. Fifth one, 4237 plus 3756. Note down the numbers correctly and find the totals. 1800 plus 3054 plus 2317. Write the numbers one below the other. Column wise means 3 digit means goes to ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. 4 digit means ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Every addition starts from ones place only. First adding ones, write in the ones place. Next go to tens column, adding tens place numbers, write in the tens place. Then go to hundreds place, add the hundreds place numbers and write the hundreds place. What do you get after adding the given numbers? Answer. What is that answer is called? Total. Now come to here. 458 plus 327. Here also start from ones. 8 plus 7. If you get 2 digit number, split the number. That means tens number in the tens place. Ones number write in the ones place. Tens place number carry forward to tens place. Left side of ones. Adding tens. Don't forget the adding of carry forward number. Next go to hundreds. Same way 3 lines. Now come to 4 digit numbers. Adding ones, tens, hundreds, last thousands. If you get the sum is 2 digit number, write that number ones number in the ones place, carry forward to next place. Okay? These all you are note down in your homework book or rough notes and practice. And another one, write 6 and 7 tables. Table of 6, table of 6 and 7. Write and learn or learn and write. Write and learn table of 6 and 7. Okay? Now we are going to continue class work. Come on, observe the words children. These are addition words. We do addition word problem easily. You are going to using these words sum, all, in all, total, all together, together, more than, increase, both, in 2 days, in 2 weeks, like that, etc. words are using addition word problems. I give you question. In a sports club, 158 children like to play. Like to play. Like to play cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T. Cricket. And 143 children like to play tennis. Like to play tennis. T-E-N-N-I-S. See, in a sports club, 158 children like to play cricket and 143 children like to play tennis. How many children like to play cricket and tennis? How many children like to play cricket and tennis? See here, together they divide. Asking together cricket and tennis. Here we have to find out. Yes, the total number of children play cricket and tennis. First, when we are going to write answer for word problem, first read the question. This is example word problem. You practice in your rough notes. rough note. See, in a sports club, 158 children like to play cricket. Important words first you have to underline. 143 children like to play tennis. Two sports are given, cricket and tennis. How many children are play cricket? 158. How many children are play tennis? 143 children. How many children like to play cricket and tennis? Both sports, we find the total number of children play cricket and tennis. Both sports. Okay. Here we find the total answer. First one, children like to play cricket. That means number of children like to play cricket. Number of children like to play cricket. Number of children, same words, like to play cricket. Simple word goes to, yes, cricket. Children play cricket. To play cricket. How many children going to play cricket, Nana? Yes, 158. Here write the numbers clearly. Give some space between the columns. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Next, 143 children like to play tennis. Write second step. Using words. Number of children like to play tennis. Same words. The sport, name of the sport is tennis. How many children are playing tennis? 143. Write second number correctly below the first number. Now, how many children like to play cricket and tennis? Number of children. The total number of children. Number of children or total number of children like to play both cricket and tennis. Cricket and tennis. I continue in the next line. Okay, this is going to long step. Simple. Total number of children like to play games. Now, here find out the total, no? That's why put the symbol plus. Start from ones place. Come on, do addition. 8 plus 3. Yes, 11. 1 right in the ones place. This one carry forward to tens place. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Very good. Again, we get 2-digit number. 0 right in the tens place. 1 carry forward to hundreds place, left side place. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. How many children are like to play cricket and tennis? 301. How do you get that number? By addition. Understood the question? This is word problem. Okay? Another word problem. You practice this word problem in your rough notes or homework book. Okay, my dear children? Next one, continue. Come on, children. Next question. Practice in your homework book. A car manufacturing company sold 185 cars. Sold 185 cars in January. 246 cars in February. 314 cars in March. What is the total number of cars sold in these 3 months? Here addition word goes to total. Okay? We are going to first see the addition word total. We get the total by addition. Here given 3 numbers. First number, second number, third number. First number goes to cars sold in January, cars sold in February, cars sold in March. Total number of cars sold in 3 months. January, February, March. Together 3 months. Can I write the question? Come on, see how we are going to using the words. Answer. First one, 185 cars in January. That means cars sold in January. Cars sold in January. Or number of cars sold in January. What is the first number? 185. Second one, same words. Cars sold in February. February. How many in the February? 246. See the numbers correctly in the question and follow. Next, cars sold in March. How many cars sold in March? Look at the question. Come on, tell me the number. Yes, this is going to March. 314. What is the fourth step? What you find out here? Total number of cars sold. Total number of cars sold in 3 months. Total number of cars sold. Total number of cars sold. Right? 3 numbers, one below the other. Correctly. Here we have to find out total. That's why put the symbol plus. Put the symbol plus. Now start addition from ones place. Take 5 fingers. First add these 2 numbers. Then go to third number. Very good. Already you know how to do 3 lines addition. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 11 after. 12, 13, 14, 15. 2 digit number. Write ones place number in the ones place. Tens place number carry forward to tens place. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 9 after. 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. Again 2 digit number. 4 write in the tens place. 1 carry forward to hundreds place. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 4 after. 5, 6, 7. What is the total? 745. See, this is going to with regrouping. Regrouping means the number carry forward to ones to tens, tens to 100. Carrying addition. Total number of cars sold in 3 months, 745. Okay, Nana? Are you understood how to write the word problems? First of all, we are going to check the addition word. Any addition word is in the question. If it is there, we find the total. That means doing addition. Now I am going to textbook exercise part. Okay? Come on, children. Textbook, page number 39. Textbook part. Okay? Exercise 2F, page number 39. Page number 39. What is the page number? 39 in your textbook. I am going to read the question. You also see the textbook. Come on, first one. Solve the following word problems. Here. Start from here. Okay? Your exercise 2F. 243 people went to see a flower show on Monday. The people want to see flower show. And 125 people went to see the show on Tuesday. How many people went to see the flower show on Monday and Tuesday? Here, people went to see flower show on 2 days. Some people went to on Monday, some people went on Tuesday. How many people went to see the flower show on Monday and Tuesday? Monday and Tuesday, that means in both the days are together. That is going to addition word problem. Okay, Monday and Tuesday means both the days are together. Here, how to write? Here given the simple Monday, Tuesday. Monday, Tuesday. But you have to write the steps. You have to underline here. 243 people went to see flower show on Monday. Underline that. Next, 125 people went to see the show on Tuesday. Underline. Next, people went to see the flower show on Monday and Tuesday. Last sentence. Okay, that is going to important. What is the first number? 243. What is the first number given? 243. 243 goes to people see the flower show on Monday. How to write the answer? This is question. You copy this question and write the answer. I give you notes. Afterwards I send to WhatsApp. Okay? Come on, listen. This is question. Okay? Read the question and underline the important words. Next, going to write the answer. I am going to write the answer. People. We have to write full sentence, but here given only Monday. Okay, na? People went to see flower show on Monday. Flower show on Monday. Okay, na? Long step. People to see flower show on Monday. Okay? People went to see flower show on Monday. See, how many people? I am writing here 243 people. Are you seeing the number? Okay, second step. People went to same words. See, flower show. On which day? Yes, on Tuesday. Simply they given in the textbook Monday and Tuesday. Second number goes to 125. First you have to write the steps like that. Next, total number of people. Simple you are writing. Total number of people went to see flower show. People went to see flower show. Okay, now find the total. Put the symbol plus. You also complete in your textbook and find the total and write. Okay, do yourself. Adding ones, write in the ones place. Next, adding tens, write in the tens place. Next, adding 100. See, 3 plus 5, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 1, 3. How many people went to see flower show on both the days? 368 people. We get the answer by addition. This is going to textbook problem. Next one, second one. Can I go to read next question? Ready na? Same exercise, same page, 39, page number 39. See second one. Ajoy has 138 orange marbles, 264 green marbles and 321 blue marbles. What is the total number of marbles with Ajoy? Ajoy. See the name. Actually Ajay, I think. Ajoy has 138 orange marbles. Here they given 3 numbers. First you have to underline 138 orange marbles, 264 green marbles, 321 blue marbles. What is the addition word? Total. Underline. Okay. Now here they simply given orange marbles, green marbles, blue marbles. When we are going to write in classwork, we are going to write number of orange marbles, number of green marbles, number of blue marbles, the total number of marbles with Ajoy. Okay na? Come on, write the answer. How we are going to write in classwork? This is textbook part. You also complete in the textbook answer. Okay? Come on. Number of. This is read as number of. What is the first? Orange marbles. Write the words neatly and gap. What is the number? 138. Now next, green marbles using same words, coloring changing. Number of green marbles. How many green marbles? See the question and tell me number. Yes, very good. 264. Third one more number is there. That is going to blue marbles. Number of blue marbles. How many blue marbles with Ajay? Yes, 321. We arrange three numbers, one below the other correctly. Next, total number of marbles. Total number of marbles. We have to write in our classwork book like these words. First one, number of orange marbles, number of green marbles, number of blue marbles, total number of marbles. How do you get total? Yes, by addition. Put the symbol plus. Addition start from ones place. 8 plus 4. Yes, take 8 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 2 digit number. 3 right in the ones place. Carry forward. Carrying addition. 1 carry forward to next left side place. That means tens place. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 in the mind. Take 6 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Again 2 digit number. Write 2 here. 1 carry forward. 1 plus 1 carry number and this number 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. Total number of marbles with Ajay 723. These two word problems you complete in the textbook and I send you notes through WhatsApp group. You write in your classwork neatly, my dear children. Do homework. Thank you. Bye.